It's the island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's the island. Boy. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so day up on the work. It's a Friday, so last day of the week. Yeah, man. So finish up today, and I'll be giving you guys a bike ride video. Yeah, man. After I leave work, I head home and thing. You know, make a few turn and thing, and you guys will, you know, get a view of me riding the bike. Yeah, it's not too cold this morning riding, so yeah, man. So home time. Finally finished from 6 to 3. Yes, Father, great give thanks. Riding through these neighborhoods, you know. I have my igloo with me. You guys know I just finished. We have a Cuyahoga Street on the left. This is just a quick, it's quite windy, guys. Don't even know if you all can hear me. All right. Wow. But even though it feels hard to ride when the sun is hot, a different vibe. Going through a tunnel here, graffiti on both sides. Woo. So this is just a quick ride through, you know, going home, shortcut. think normally when you're crossing the road on a bicycle, you're supposed to come off the bicycle and walk across. Yeah, that's what I heard.